In relation to Oscar saying we won't stand in his way, he will still compete. She says, then your status in society also contributes to how your case is handled. Sarah says, I'm still trying to understand this whole Oscar Pistorius trial. Me personally, if I heard anyone in my house, I would be tapping my partner. ICE goes on to say, with the minimum sentencing and rationalization, I'm sure every other criminal in jail would think they're entitled to the same. We've got Willies who says it's real. Those who thought the judge was a pushover and underestimated just made it real for Oscar. Now a twist come to play. And lastly, Layla says, like I said, if human beings can't judge him fair, then God will judge him on Judgment Day. There you have it. That was some reaction on social media relating to the Oscar Pistorius case. Now, after the break, a look at today's other